Good afternoon, Tiwari. How are you today?
Hello.
Yeah, man.
I'm fine.
Good. So, skydiving is going to be your first time?
Yes, first time.
How are you feeling?
It's quite a bit nervous and
Very excited.
excited a lot.
You look more excited than nervous, that's for sure. Who's doing it with you today?
She's my wife over there.
Oh, perfect. Let's go
my
say
wife.
hello. Hello there. How are you doing?
Hi.
Are you
I'm
excited?
doing so good.
Yes? You look even more excited than your husband.
Yeah, that's because I pulled him.
Yeah, you're the mastermind.
Yeah.
I like it, I like it. Give us a high five for that. Woo! Alright, and over there we got...
My junior officer.
Alright. He looks quite busy over there with Donnie. We'll leave him to do his
He
thing.
wants to know everything.
Ah, one of those guys. Yeah, that's the best way to be. Alright, Tiwari, so we're going to be going real soon. Is there anything you want to say to friends and family that are going to see this video later?
There's nothing. Stanley is over here.
He's with me, playing with me.
Alright, perfect.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to have a good time then. Yeah. Awesome, dude. Let's go have a good time and we'll see you out there.
Sure.
Yeah. We got 10 more minutes. How are you feeling?
3 more minutes. Scared and excited.
Yeah? Are you enjoying the view outside?
Gonna enjoy nicely now.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Is there anything you want to say before we do this? Anything you want to say before we do this?
I will do it again.
Yes, Tiwari. That's what we like to hear. All right, buddy. Let's go have a good time and we'll see you out there.
Sure.
On point, Brad. I took a few steps back. How was that, Tiwari?
Really wonderful.
Awesome.
Wanna do it now again?
Sign up right away, huh?
No, brother, you did it. Got those goggles off your feet.
Well done, man. Congratulations. You did it. You're back on Earth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alive.
Yeah, man. Awesome. Let me get some pictures of you guys.
Sure.
Yeah, give me 5, brother.
Wow.
Very nice.
Smile.
Yeah.
Thanks to choosing Skydive DeLand, Tiwari.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Wonderful.